Okay, hello guys, welcome to my new keyboard unboxing from the Ozone Alliance mechanical hybrid gaming keyboard. Okay, this keyboard is English US. Guys, you can see this picture, this keyboard. I think is very beautiful. There is LED 9 lighting FX. Okay guys. There. Okay guys. Co ještě tady? Okay guys. Okay guys, let's go look on this corner. There you have G mode on the fly features, guys. Some that's which comfortable. Environment sound reactive. There's some sound when you have clicking on this keyboard. Night lighting, we will say this, I say this, okay guys. And guys, out anti-ghosting. For 25 case, when you have more case. Okay, you have more case from pushing this keyboard, and there is splash proof design for water. If you have some drink on the PC, the water doesn't get in the keyboard. Okay. There is anti-water keyboard. This is okay guys. In back this is same guys. And in back is lighting effects selection, multimedia and other functions. Macro case guys. Light brightness and speed control. System requirements: have USB port on PC, Windows, iOS, Windows, Android and Mac for the. Okay guys, let's go open this box. Where's opening? Okay, I don't think. Maybe there guys. I got this with K guys. Hey guys, okay guys, I have knife for this. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, I have that, and I opening this. Okay, There's some box height in this box. Okay, let's go push out this. Okay guys, let's go push out this. Okay guys, you can see some box. Guys there. You can see some box and I get to open it. Okay. There's some. Okay, there's in this paper is the keyboard, I think. Okay, let's go. I get push from this box, this keyboard. Okay guys, I'm cable. I'll throw the there. I put there. Okay guys, some instructions. Ozone, you can some picture Ozone with, and that's all in this box. Okay guys, there is the, from this is the keyboard. Okay, get push this. Okay, you can see that keyboard. Did you listen this song? Sexy song. That's mechanical case, you can. And okay, and USB cable. And there's USB cable, guys, and that's be all, guys. Okay guys, I show you this keyboard on this computer when the lightning's after I show you. And this is the keyboard, you can see the beautiful lightning wave. It's amazing, and speed reaction, clicking, guys. And that's will be all. There is special key from the 03 special key. You can for 03 and some F push, F2, F1 to F9 you can push. That's amazing, guys. That's amazing. You can some lightnings for regulations. Okay guys, and that will be all. Aliens there guys. And hello guys, if you have some some hates for and positive for me. Let's comment. If you like video, let's get likes, subscribe my channel and follow me on the Twitch, guys. And hello.